Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 vegan protein powders available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best vegan protein powders. The 5th product on our list is the KOS Organic. If you're trying to live a lifestyle without meat or dairy products, getting a handle on your nutrition and protein intake can be difficult, but with KOS Organic, you'll have a great tasting way to supplement your diet. Infused with organic vanilla, Himalayan salt, organic coconut milk, stevia, and a little monk fruit, this award-winning protein blend is gratifying to your taste buds and your body. With KOS Organic, it's easy to make a quick snack. Just add 2 scoops to cold water for a delicious shake. The soluble fiber in plant protein gives the feeling of being full for longer, so you eat less while getting enough nutrients. This product is packed with 20 grams of protein per serving thanks to its 5-protein blend of pea, flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia seed, in addition to essential vitamins and minerals. KOS Organic is healthier than whey protein for your body. This is because pea protein is a fantastic protein source. Flax is an excellent source of omega-3 oil. Chia seeds are perfect for adding extra fiber to your diet. At the same time, quinoa is the perfect mix of protein and good carbs, and pumpkin can improve reproductive health. This supplement powder is enhanced with powerful digestion support in the form of a proprietary digestive enzyme blend. This blend aids digestion and boosts maximum absorption by capitalizing on its ingested nutrients. Lastly, almost every ingredient in this product is certified as organic and free of gluten, dairy, soy, hormones, artificial sweeteners, colors, and GMOs. Its pros are: it's got a great variety of protein sources, it has additional digestion support, and it is made with organic ingredients. However, its cons are: it does not mix particularly well, and it may be too sweet for some palates. KOS Organic is a tasty and complete protein powder that's perfect for vegans looking to boost their nutrition sustainably. Up next, in 4th place, is the PlantFusion Complete. Unlike other products on the market, PlantFusion Complete protein powder has no cheap fillers bulking it up and slowing you down. Made with certified non-GMO, gluten-free, and all vegan-friendly protein ingredients, this product provides a powder that you can feel good about. As part of PlantFusion's purity promise, they have also committed to being totally dairy, soy, whey, and rice-free, with no eggs, nuts, fish, tree nuts, shellfish, artificial flavors, or colors going into producing this dietary supplement, so you can rest assured what you put in your body will be good for both you and the environment. With the right protein powder, you can both sate your appetite and have a sustainable energy source. PlantFusion Complete is stuffed with 21 grams of plant-based proteins, including peas, artichokes, algae, and other organic superfoods, all carefully selected as part of the production process. With the correct amino acid-infused protein blend, you'll have the complete balance necessary for muscle recovery after exercise. This plant-based protein powder is even nutritionally comparable to animal proteins like whey, while being far more comfortable to digest thanks to the additional digestive enzymes and from being dairy-free, soy, and gluten-free. It also contains none of the many other common allergens, so you can take as much as you need without the bloating or stomach discomforts associated with most whey and casein protein. Finally, this PlantFusion blend contains no artificial flavors or sweeteners and comes in 7 different flavors, with a 1-pound tub containing 15 healthy and delicious servings. Its pros are: it has no additional fillers, it contains amino acid-infused protein, and it comes in a range of flavors. However, the cons are: the container is often oversized for the content, and the texture can be a little gritty. The PlantFusion Complete protein powder is most suited to those with sensitive stomachs that are worried about allergen traces in their food. Still haven't found a vegan protein powder that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Vega Protein and Greens. The Vega Protein and Greens Powder is for those that are looking for more than just a dairy-free protein powder. This incredibly smooth protein powder helps increase the nutrition of your diet with real plant-based food ingredients such as spinach and kale. With Vega Protein, you can add easy nutrition to your everyday meals, sweetened with stevia, a natural sweetener. This powder contains no added sugar and has just 120 calories per serving. Suppose you're training for an event or trying to put on some muscle. In that case, protein is essential. This powder provides 20 grams of it from pea protein, brown rice protein, and Sasha Inchi protein, so it also contains all 9 essential amino acids for getting you the best results. Another thing that makes this product healthy is that it's made with green vegetable-derived ingredients from organic kale, organic alfalfa, broccoli, and spinach for a protein powder that's good for you in more ways than one. With only 4 grams of net carbs, gluten-free, lactose-free, dairy-free, soy-free, non-whey, and low glycemic, it's even suitable for those on ketogenic diets. Vega Protein aims to be both good for the body and the planet. It's non-GMO project verified with no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. Additionally, there are plenty of ways to take this product. It's easy to make up a shake with 1.5 cups of ice-cold water or simply blend it into your preferred recipe for a delicious and tasty vegan protein shake. You can even bake with protein and greens by swapping for 1/8 to 1/4 of the flour in sweet baking recipes. Its pros are: it's made with healthy, sustainable ingredients. It contains everything you need to build muscle, and it's capable of being used as a flour substitute. However, it has quite a chalky texture in shakes. The Vega Protein and Greens Powder is ideal for those who are worried about the environment and want to still get healthy gains from their workouts. The second product on our list is the Nutiva Organic. The Nutiva Organic Hemp Protein Powder has been gently cold pressed without using hexane, a harsh chemical solvent used to treat non-organic soy protein powders. It is also entirely vegan and comes in a non-BPA container. As the protein found in hemp seed is easily digestible, it is an excellent choice for sensitive diets. A single serving of Nutiva Organic Hemp Protein provides 15 grams of organic protein and 6 grams of fiber, so you can get all the nutrition you need while preventing stomach bloat and irritation. Thanks to its outstanding quality, purity, lower cost, and versatility, this protein powder is an excellent option for anyone seeking to supplement their diet healthily. Made from organic, non-GMO, and sustainably grown hemp seeds, this powder is abundant in amino acids, protein, and fiber. It is also an excellent source of omega-3 fats and antioxidants, providing you with a completely healthy addition to your diet. Much like other hemp protein powders, this has a distinct nutty taste. However, it still blends excellently into smoothies and shakes. Furthermore, you will be able to enjoy a multitude of healthier treats with Nutiva Organic Protein Powder, as it can also be used as a flour replacement when making muffins, bread, cakes, pancakes, pastries, or other baked goods. A 3-tablespoon serving contains only 90 calories and 15 grams of protein with 8 grams of fiber, making it a perfect option for those looking to lose weight while remaining active. Its pros are: it is made without severe chemicals. It has a balance of protein, fiber, and omega-3 oils, and it's low in calories. However, it does not keep very well once opened. Nutiva Organic is an effective protein source suitable for people on a calorie-restricted diet that still want to meet their macronutrient goals. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top vegan protein powder is the Vega Sport Premium. Increase your muscle mass and improve your recovery after a challenging workout with Vega Sport Premium Protein Powder. With this product, you'll get 30 grams of high-grade plant-based protein, 5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, and 2 billion colony-forming units of probiotics from a combination of sprouted brown rice protein, organic green pea protein, hemp protein, and organic alfalfa juice protein. Additionally, it has all the essential amino acids, glutamine, and digestive enzymes you need for high performance. This plant protein is dairy-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, and soy-free to fit a vegan lifestyle. The Vega Sport Premium is NSF certified for sport. It's simple to make up a batch. Just shake or blend it with water, almond milk, or other non-dairy milk choices, and throw in some fruits or veggies for a nutrient-rich protein shake. There are multiple flavors to suit your taste: chocolate, vanilla, mocha, berry, or peanut butter. Great news for those on diets, this product is keto-friendly, so you can stay low-carb without sacrificing a full plane of nutrition. For those following ketogenic diets, it's recommended to add some coconut oil to your smoothie or shake for a little extra fat. Lastly, it is worth noting that the Vega company is a member of the B Corp movement, a community of companies pledged to meet the uncompromising standards of social and environmental performance, accountability, and transparency. So you'll have peace of mind that while drinking this shake, you're also doing your bit to help the world. Its pros are: it has a large amount of protein per serving, there is a wide range of different flavor choices, and it is produced sustainably. However, it does get very sticky while mixing. The Vega Sport Premium Protein Powder is an ideal form of nutritious dietary supplement, whether you're vegan and tracking protein intake or are merely looking for a dairy-free way to boost your after-gym recovery. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.